But wait, there's more. We can do comparison expressions like this. So tell me true or false? True? True?
False.
False? Oh, tricky one. One's a what's the
It'll be false because that's a string and that's an integer.
exactly. We have a string and an integer, not the same, so false. And
True.
true? True?
True. False.
Gotcha. That's true. Because the integer 7 is actually not equal to the string 7.
False.
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 That's a trick. You get an error.
Oh.
Because you can't compare the magnitude of a string with an integer.
Also an error?
Also an error, yes. Good. You guys are getting to be professionals at this.